The CN5 model by the Carnation is a professional-grade currency money counter. It is designed for businesses that require high-speed, accurate cash processing. Unlike basic counters that only count the number of bills, the CN5 model raised the value of each node, allowing you to process mixed stacks of cash instantly. The CN5 model is built to be a set-and-forget solution for cash-heavy environments like retail stores, casinos, and banks. I ended up receiving this model for my honest review and testing. Everything is nicely packaged on the inside. The first thing you get is a little bag with cleaning cloth, user manual, warranty card, and then you will also get a little brush for maintenance as well. And then we do have a little storage cover as well. Two-part charger with a pretty long cable, and then we also do have a little LCD screen that you can turn towards the customers so they can see the cash being counted as well. And then finally, we do have a little detector pen as well. Now the whole setup of the machine is pretty easy. Just plug in the power cable and the internet cable that's gonna be for that LCD screen. The LCD display, it's easy to read and it does have a backlight as well. It is also a touchscreen, but it does have the buttons on the side so you can select which option you want. Now, one of the best things about this machine is the mixed denomination value counting. So the value counting feature is the machine's primary selling point. You can take a disorganized stack of $1, $5, and $10 bills and drop them into the hopper. The machine will identify each bill using contact image sensor. It will also calculate the total monetary value of the stack and provide a breakdown report like 1520s or 1050s on its large LCD screen. While many machines are locked to one region, the CN5 is pre-programmed to handle 5 major currency. We have the USD, which is American dollar. We have a Euro, which they use in Europe. We also have Mexican peso, British pound, and the Canadian dollar as well. Now, the third best thing about this machine, it does have the industrial grade detection. To protect your business from fraud, the CN5 employs a multi-layer protection check on every bill. It uses ultraviolet, which scans the bills for fluorescent, which are found in the genuine currency paper. It also detects the iron-rich magnetic ink used in the printing of the real bills. It also has infrared, which scans for infrared-sensitive inks that are nearly impossible for common counterfeits to replicate. And finally, it also measures the physical length, width, and thickness of the bill to ensure it isn't supernote or a different denomination bleached and reprinted. When it comes to the operational modes, it has 4 different ones. Mix mode, which counts a stack of different denominations and gives a total value. Second one is the sort mode. Stops the machine if a bill of a different denomination is detected, which is useful for verifying pre-sorted bundles. The third one is the count mode, which is a simple piece counting. It doesn't give you the value. And then we also do have add and batch mode. The add keeps a running total of multiple stacks, and batch stops counting once a specific number of bills is met. So the Carnation CN5 is an investment in efficiency. If you find yourself manually sorting bills before counting them, this machine will likely save you hours of labor every week. It is particularly valuable for businesses that handle international currency or high-volume cash deposits where the risk of human error or counterfeit acceptance is high. I gotta say, I absolutely love the design and the size of this machine, and this is definitely something I recommend.